everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey, for those of you who don't know. And in today's video, I am going to be doing my makeup like Layla Blue. If you don't know who Miss Layla Blue is, I will link her channel down below. She is mainly known as a TikToker. I'm obsessed with her. If you don't know who she is and you like the kind of content that I make, you're going to be obsessed with her too. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Starting off with our base, I already did my skincare, I already put on my sunscreen. Now we're going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This tutorial is not going to be absolutely using the exact same products, but very similar. So I'm also using the Goldie Drops from Drunk Elephant that she does use in her tutorial. Next, I will be going in with the Charlotte Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is in the shade 4. Layla uses the e.l.f. dupe. Also, disclaimer, this is technically not my shade, but we're just gonna have to work with what we've got. Then she says that she does 2 coats of mascara, so she starts off with 1 coat of mascara, which honestly, I'm not gonna lie, this really scares me of like doing coats at separate times. Also, is that like distracting? Should I turn that off? Oh, so for her first coat, she is using an Essence mascara. I'm going to be using the same mascara, but I'm going to be still using a brown mascara. Next up, she goes in with foundation, but she kind of only puts it in the areas that she would be putting concealer. So I'm just going to go in with concealer. I'm going to go with House Labs. This is in the shade number 11. We're going to go in with the Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer. This is in the shade Medium. I'm kind of loving her tutorial so far. Here she does a mix of the 2 Road blushes that she owns. The shades are Juice Box and Freckle, which one of them is like a peachy kind of brown color, and then the other one's like a very pink. I don't have the Road blushes, but I do have... Okay, my phone just told me that my storage sucks. So let's get a move on. She goes pretty high. That also might be a lot of pigment. I'm like actually a little scared. Powder bronzer. Oh my god, my phone keeps running out of storage. It's gonna drive me insane. Powder blush. I'm gonna be using the Say blush in the shade Bella. Now she goes in with like a regular loose powder. I'm going to be using a pink loose powder. This is the one by xoxo. Then she goes and places freckles. She only kind of goes over the places that she naturally has moles. For eyebrows, she uses the Kosas Air Brow. I technically do have it, but I'm too lazy to grab it. Lately, my favorite brow product has been the Glossier Boy Brow, and it's just because I do prefer something a little more tinted. and I wasn't feeling doing like a clear brow gel. Next up is her lip combo. She goes in with kind of a more brown nude color. The closest one I had to that is the Tower 28 in this shade Work of Art. And she also goes in with a more like pinkier color. So this is the Glossier lip liner in the shade Bit. She goes in with the gloss Pistachio by Tower 28, but I don't have that one. So I'm going to be using the gloss by Cali Ray. This is in the shade Free Palomas. And there you have it. She does also top it off with a Too Faced gloss. I just don't have anything that's close enough, so I don't even want to try to like fuck it up. But here is the finished look, my loves. Here's a little up close. I did end up putting just like little moles where I have like natural kind of teeny tiny little freckles that do kind of get covered up with foundation, so I thought I'd just bring those back. And you know what? I really kind of love this look. Maybe this will be my new routine. As always, I really need to get going. I don't know if you can tell, but like towards the end I'm literally shaking because I'm gonna be running late. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.